So I'm recording now for today. We have a quarter of an inch snow, so this is not a lot of snow. Sorry, so I'm driving here in the parking lot. There is a lot of people driving here. All of a sudden there's an event here at 9 o'clock and I'm like 1 minute before that event. I have to get my car out of the way. There we have a car with also all season. And you need to keep distance to the car in front of you. So this here, what I have in front of the guy in front of me, he's doing 25 miles per hour. Because probably with this brand new car, the tires are also not great. And if So I'm trying to I'm trying to review my winter tires. The remote control doesn't work anymore with the app. I want to start recording and I push the button here and the camera is locked up. And I'm out here in the cold trying to, get something done here with this camera. It's like just a piece of yeah, you cannot believe it. So I do use this GoPro Hero10. Am I looking too fat? I am. I'm using the GoPro Hero10. It's suction cup to the car outside. I'm using my phone to connect to it and everything great so far. Now I changed the camera position a little bit, and then I want to record again. The record button does not work. So this GoPro Hero10 is just a useless piece. Like, it's useless. I mean, you can't do your work. Your work that usually takes 10 minutes takes now half an hour or longer because you have to restart the stupid thing. And this time it's not about the battery. So you can look at the camera. There is this on the top. It's like there's the segment on the top here, not right, and there's no buttons. See this? The buttons are missing. And up front, it does this Hero10 thing, animation, for a long time. And then there, but so it's like super slow and not working. I think it's just dying. And nothing happened to it. It didn't fall or anything. Oh, there's buttons now. So, we are recording again. And I hear my fan running up front. It sounded like my fan was running. Oh, there's snow in the car. Oh man. So I had the camera outside again for a quick drive. Again, I had a hard time turning the recording off. So it kept recording after I pushed the button. And then so it was just out there in the snow. It was like a little bit wet. And we're not recording for long, right? So we're talking 1 or 2 minutes. And yeah, this is what it is now. So it's locked up like this again. No picture, no image, but the text is there on there. That's how the camera is going right now. Completely useless.